I'm Charlotte Constance, and I founded Conductor in 2014. Our ethos has always been to use data and insight to drive strategic decisions. And since day one, we have championed the customer, putting them at the center of the residential development process. Over the past 12 years, we have responded to our clients' needs and to shifts in the market. We developed our customer research capability in 2017 and launched our pioneering white-labeled customer care service in 2018. And now it is time for our next chapter. We consulted our clients, customers, and industry peers, taking a rigorous look at where the real gaps at the sharp end of project delivery lie. The result? Confirmation that many projects fail at the final hurdle, not delivering on the quality promise and not living up to customer expectations, resulting in additional costs, risks, and time for the developer. Our market research has crystallized what we have known for years, that quality, care, maintenance, and experience can't be separate work streams delivered by different departments. They link and depend on each other to de-risk projects, drive financial returns, and deliver the utmost in customer satisfaction. Welcome to Conductor CX.